To purchase stocks on Charles Schwab, begin by opening the Charles Schwab website and accessing your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, which can be done online through the website or app. Once your account is set up, fund it using various options, such as online transfers, bank deposits, checks, or by transferring existing accounts from other brokerage firms. Next, log into your account and use the search bar to find the stock you wish to buy by entering the company name or ticker symbol. Click on the stock in the search results to view its details, including the current price, chart, and news. Then, click the trade button and choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy, review your order, and submit it. After submitting, check your account for confirmation that the order has been executed. This process allows you to buy stocks on Charles Schwab.